please welcome Turbo in the mighty Typhoon. That's the way to arrive at an airshow, and I'm sure he'll leave in similar style as well. Well, if you look underneath in your wings when you go to time, you don't get much time to talk about it in this, then you'll see the hard points of the ASRAM, the AMRAM, the Storm Shadow, the Brimstone, the Paveway, Nightingale, the bombs, and of course the 27mm Airshow. Now he's got a little system on board, a digital radio, I understand, is that correct?
Yes, it's not actually doing it, it's a little bit low. He'll have a little lady just in his ears, a little bit low, so he'll still keep it as safe out.
And of course, you're regularly seeing up to 40,000 plus from those 2 turbo fans at the same time. This is for an incredibly small area. Setting the jet up now, just coming in tight. The G piling on, of course, and now really excessive use of G in such a small area. Up to 9G, that's 9 times your body weight.